In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make different columns for all groups on Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and click on any board where you want to adjust what you see. This is the board where your groups and columns are already set up, and it's where you'll apply a filter to focus on specific information. If you manage a board with several groups and a lot of columns, this can be a very useful way to simplify the view and make the board easier to work with. Once you're inside the board, look for the filter drop down and click on it. This opens the filtering options for the board. Filters in Monday.com help you narrow down what's visible. So instead of seeing everything at once, you can choose to show only the items that match certain conditions. This is especially helpful when you want to focus on one type of status, timeline, or category across multiple groups. After opening the filter menu, choose a column. This is the column you want to use as the basis for your filter. For example, you might choose a status column if you want to display only items with a certain progress label. The important thing here is to select the column that contains the value you want to target. Next, click on the next box. This box lets you define the condition or value for the filter you're building. In other words, after choosing the column, you now tell Monday.com exactly what to look for within that column. This step connects the column to the specific result you want shown on the board. From there, click on Planned. By selecting this option, you're telling the board to display items that match that value in the column you selected. This is what creates the filtered view. If you're following along on your own board, make sure you choose the option that matches the information you want to isolate. At this point, the column or item view you see will reflect the filter you created. In other words, the board will now show results based on that selected condition, making it easier to focus on the relevant group data without distraction from other entries. This is a simple but effective way to customize how you view information across groups in Monday.com. If your board feels cluttered, filtering can make it much easier to review the exact items you need. Follow the same process anytime you want to adjust the view and work more efficiently inside your board.